yourself as a Disney princess, twirling in a stunning gown and feeling like royalty? Well, today, we're going to make that dream a reality. Welcome to our DIY Disney Princess Fashion in Real Life video. We're going to show you how to bring the magic of Disney Princess fashion to life through paper crafts and creative DIY techniques. Now, you might be wondering, how do we translate those intricate Disney Princess outfits into wearable real-life fashion? It's no easy task, but with a little creativity and some crafting skills, we can make it happen. Get ready to dive into the world of DIY as we showcase step-by-step methods to recreate iconic Disney princess looks using just paper and simple crafting supplies. From Belle's golden gown to Cinderella's glass slipper, we're turning paper into fashion magic. And here comes the most exciting part, the transformation. Watch as we reveal the magical moment when our paper creations turn into stunning wearable fashion. It's like watching creativity come to life right before your eyes. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey we've been on today. We've shown you the fun and creativity involved in turning paper into Disney princess fashion. It's been a blast, and we hope you feel inspired to unleash your inner designer. Now it's your turn. We challenge you to try your hand at creating your own Disney princess fashion DIY projects. Share your magical creations with us in the comments below. Who knows, you might just be the next fashion royalty.